I was requested to show how to change the battery on this Timex airplane clock. So here's how you do it. First thing that you want to do is you're going to wiggle this movement piece and get it off the rest of the case. Next, there's a plastic ring right here. You can take that off. Next, stick your fingernail into one of the corners here, and you're going to try and pry off the back of the case. You can try and use a screwdriver, but I couldn't find one that would fit underneath. And this can be a little bit tricky. And there we go. Put this lid somewhere so you do not lose it. Next up, take off this plastic part here. And now we just need to get our battery out. Come in from this corner and very lightly press up. And here is your battery. So reassembly is pretty important, so make sure you pay attention. First, you're going to put the battery back in. This will take you a couple of tries. It's not easy. Once you have your battery back in, we can continue with reassembly. So take the movement, make sure the crown is facing away from you. Get your little plastic piece. You see this little groove right here? You're going to take that and point it away from you so it's lined up with the crown. Then you're going to press that into the case. Come back, get your little lid here. You see this groove? Make sure it's also lined up with the crown. There's the groove. Then you can push it back together. And last thing is to put this little ring, this plastic ring, back on the case. And that's how you change the battery.